So now we're doing the little toilet. We're cleaning. Here's a wooden frames to the floor. Looks already much better. And when it's clean, we can easily tape it and make it ready for painting. So we tape everything off what we don't want to have in white painted. We cover the complete toilet seat, unplug it, and here's this rail. We take it off because then it's much easier to paint the wall. Here everything is covered now, and we can start painting. Remove the cover from the power plug, then you don't need to cover it or tape it. It's much easier to paint over and faster. Take a little bit, not too much. Let me see. Go close by. And we get a nice edge. So, nearly finished. So we have it made first time complete through in the bathroom. More, and here we go. Yeah, all white, first time painted, maybe one more, but looks already really neat. Ta-da! And I painted just the inside area of the door with this beautiful brush, and meanwhile it's already quite dry and looks a little bit shadowy, as you can see here, so one more time is always necessary. Now we're painting second time everything through.